In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to connect and how to set up your Soundpeats Watch 2. First, you need to download the Soundpeats Live. Soundpeats Live and then install. So we need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, and then open, and first you need to register. In my case, I'm going to use Google. So here, and then here, okay, all the time, confirm. Then for the draw over the other apps, check the live application and then tap OK, then back, and then you need to scan your Soundpeats. Press this one or tap. Then scan the barcode. Now it's connecting. And then go to your watch and tap check. And now all set. And if you want to change the dial phase, go to dial settings. You can download the dial phase here on the application, so you can select anything you want. For example, I'm gonna use this cute tiger online sync. And we need to wait for a few seconds. Now it will update. Done. And then I can make also custom dial. I can change the colors and I can select my own picture, and then I can download another watch face or dial or watch plate. For example, this. So it's updating, and as you can see, synchronizing. Now it's done. Back. Okay, and then if I want to adjust the duration of the screen time, go to duration of on screen time and select 15 seconds. And then you can select incoming call notice. For example, someone wants to call you, so this watch can notify you if who's calling. And then message notice, you can tap allow, confirm here. Just notification access, go to live, low, and then on message notice I will select all, so it will notify even Facebook, WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, WeChat, messaging, calendar, Chrome, contacts, and so forth. And then you can also see on the application the battery life, which is 96%. Heart rate sensor, you can select manual or auto. And then alarm clock, sedentary reminder, you can select it also. Rise up, if you want, for example, this one is closed, and if you rise up, it will automatically on the screen. And weather synchronize, You can synchronize the weather. It's here. So it depends on the watch face that you're using. And that's it. So guys, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and don't forget to like this video. Thank you and God bless.